To fix a hands-free liftgate failure on your 2024 Yukon Denali Ultimate, you must switch the interior liftgate dial to the max position and enable the sensor through the central infotainment system. Owners often mistake a disabled sensor for a mechanical failure when the system simply needs a parameter reset. This sequence restores full power operation to your GMC tailgate instantly. The primary cause for a liftgate that refuses to open is an accidentally disabled interior switch. Locate the rotary control dial on the overhead console near the rearview mirror. This dial features max, 3/4, and off positions. When bumped into the off position, the entire power liftgate system shuts down. Turn this dial to the max position to re-engage the control module. Next, you must verify the software parameters in your central infotainment screen. Tap the settings icon, navigate to the Vehicle tab, and select the Comfort and Convenience menu. Find the hands-free exterior storage access option. Ensure this setting is switched to Open and Close. This software toggle can reset during system updates or battery voltage drops, causing a sudden loss of hands-free functionality. With the controls restored, you can reset the liftgate height memory. Walk to the rear of the SUV and open the liftgate using the exterior handle. Manually adjust the liftgate to your preferred maximum opening height. Press and hold the electronic close button on the bottom edge of the tailgate for 3 seconds. The tail lights will flash and a chime will sound to lock in the memory. You can now test the hands-free sensor to confirm the reset was successful. With your key fob in your pocket, stand at the rear of the vehicle. Perform a single straight kicking motion directly through the center of the GMC logo projection on the ground and pull your foot back. The tail lights will flash, and the liftgate will automatically power open.